Good evening, everybody. This is the video part 1. The video about the biggest LED lamp homemade by ET 2030 channel. I want to tell you about all of kind LED lamp module that use for this lamp. First, SMD, and everybody knows as hot strip. This is SMD also. The third, COB. And then Luxion. And the last one, Cree. It's Cree. And it's Cree also. But there is empty PCB like this. It's a long PCB for high power LED. You will see when I finish the job, and we are going to see when it's work, but that will in video part 2. What about the source of the power? This is the source of the power lamp. This is SMPS power supply. Output 12 volt. Output 12 volt DC. 10 ampere. And this is output 12 volt DC, 15 ampere. This is LED driver, 1600 milliampere. It's 6300 milliampere also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only 280 milliampere. And the last one, it's smallest driver I've got. It's only 180 milliampere. Finally, we are going to the fan to keep the heatsink stay cool. I have 1, 2, 3, 5 fan, 12 volt, 12 volt DC. Point 0.23 ampere. That's all about the source of power for the lamp and the fans. What about the heatsink? See? In the video part 2, when this lamp on already, I will give you the information about the power of the lamp, luminous of the lamp, and impedance of the lamp. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe this channel, like and comment, and touch the bell so you will get the information about the video part 2 when the lamp work. You can bring it by only a hand like this. I put it on the floor. This lamp will be the powerful lamp in my country that made at home. And someday I wanna make video also about the air conditioner fish tank chiller, and fish tank lamps. And thank you for watching this video. See you guys.